Hello everyone, today I want to quickly review a iPad Air 2 white model. I just want to mention a few good things and a few bad things about the iPad Air 2. I have a silver model, which is a white color. Um, Nothing really has really significantly changed in design. Probably a button design, just like iPhone 6. The microphone has moved from the middle to the side, and they have removed a switch, which is like a mute switch or the auto rotation switch. And they do change a speaker grills on the bottom, just like iPhone 6 or 6 Plus, and the Touch ID. Well, except that the size are the same thing. Of course, it's a thinner and lighter. Um, that's actually the first good things about this iPad Air 2, which is very lighted and very thin, and you could actually feel it. You could actually tell the difference if you have used the iPhone Air first generation. The second good thing is, which is I think the best change is they have changed the panels and the glass. The first generation iPad Air has a very plasticky filled glass, and it feels very bad. And it does have a air gap between a screen and the glass, so that really, I think that really disturbed me. It feels like the like old generation of screen, but now they don't have it. They eliminated the glass in the panel, so they don't have any space between the glass and the actual screen. So that actually looks nice and feels nice. Next thing, the camera. They have upgraded 5 megapixel to 8 megapixels. It's not like iPhone 6 quality. I'll say about maybe iPhone 5 quality of the camera, but it's still good. I don't really take a picture with my tablet, so I did not really try them that much, but I could tell the difference from the last generation. Next, what is it? Oh, there's an anti-reflective coatings on here on the screen, so you could actually see it better outside. I can't really tell the difference, but the odd thing is, as you can see, the reflection when you off the screen, it's kind of a bluish color. It's more noticeable on the black model. It's not that really bothers me on the white models, but just want to let you know. The last thing, they finally upgrade the RAM to from 1 GB to the 2 GB, and they do have a triple core 8X chip. I don't really can't tell the difference in overall speed, because iPad Air 1 was already very fasty, tablet, so I can't really tell the difference. But in the future, if the development or if the developer create a new apps optimized for whatever the fast or whatever the more RAM we have, then it'll future proof. So that's good for us. Few negative things about this. There are really, almost none negatives, but I want to complain the speakers. They do have increased the quality of speakers, but the problem is when you actually use the speakers, the whole iPad is kind of vibrating it, and when I'm using it, it kind of really disturbed me. I don't know, maybe because they made it so thin, or maybe they increased the base of it, but it kind of disturbed me. So while you're watching or playing games with external speakers, kind of really, after maybe 5 to 10 minutes, it really gets kind of disturb me. So I just want to let you know. Except that, everything else is really good, super fast. Whatever you do, it's super fast. no lag. I mean, zero lag at all. I think that's about it. It's very good tablet. I think it's the best tablet out there. Screen, I just want to mention, you can't really tell the difference between, I mean, just the screen quality. I don't think we can't really tell the difference between the first generation of iPad Air and second generation iPad Air. They're both great display. I think this is the second best display on compared to all other tablet. Maybe first one is of course the Galaxy Tab S 10.5. That one have a best display, but this one's the second. It's just beautiful. Color looks really good. Of course, I love there is no gap between the screen and glass, and the screen. I mean, the glass feels very sturdy, very strong, very hard. So if you coming from, I guess iPad first generation to fourth generation, definitely this is upgrade, big upgrade. You should upgrade this. But if you comes from iPad Air 1, I would say don't spend too much money on it. If you have to spend more than 300, 200, 300, I don't think it's worth it. iPad Air 1 is still great tablet. I think it's up to you, but I don't think you really have to upgrade because except the screen, they do upgrade the RAM and processor, but you can't really tell the difference unless you are really eager to upgrade to the powerful device. I guess that's about it. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye.